Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question, it says that the function f of x is x minus 1 and g of x is another function given to us which is e raised to x. It says this is for all x belongs to R, that is real numbers. If dy over dx is e raised to minus 2 root x into g of f of x minus y over root x. The question is asking us if the condition y of 0 is equal to 0 is given, then what is y of 1 is equal to? And we have been told the answer choices are 1 minus e cube over e raised to 4. Option B, e minus 1 over e raised to 4. Option C, 1 minus e square over e raised to 4. And option D is 2e minus 1 over e cube. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for this question that is asked to us. Means it says at x equals to 1, what will be the value of y? And if I talk about the answer choices, let's see how to solve this question further. Before starting with the solution for this question, I'd first like to tell you that if you're enjoying these explanations that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well. And do share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE. Let's see how to solve this question further. So it says f of x is x minus 1. And here, if you see in dy by dx, we have to find this whole function, g of f of x. So let's do that. F of x, I know x minus 1. So if I find f of x, it's basically f of x. So instead of x, I have to put whole f of x. So instead of x, I'll put whole f of x. So it becomes f of x minus 1. And f of x, I know already it is x minus 1. So x minus 1 minus 1, so x minus 2. Now I want to find g of the whole thing. Now we know g of x is given to us as e raised to x. So if I have g of f of x, I have to replace this x with f of x. So that makes it e raised to f of x. That leaves you e raised to x minus 2. So I have that also. Now, if I write it, dy by dx, I get from here as e raised to minus 2 root x into g of f of x, which is e raised to x minus 2 minus y over root x. So I've just written whatever they have given to us in the question, just replacing g of f of x with e raised to x minus 2. So what I get from here is e raised to x. I know if I have the same basis and the powers are different, I can just add them if they are multiplied. So I'm just adding it up. So x minus 2 and minus 2 root x minus y over root x. So if I take y over root x on the side, left hand side, it gives me dy by dx plus y over root x is equal to e raised to x minus 2 minus 2 root x. So I have this form, and this is basically nothing but a linear differential equation given to us, which is of our general form dy by dx plus py equals q, where if I want to have this differential equation, integrating factor becomes e raised to integral p dx. So if I use that, comparing this to, I get from here, p is 1 over root x, q is e raised to x minus 2 minus 2 root x. So once I have that, I'll figure out the integrating factor, which is e raised to integral p dx. So e raised to integral p, I have 1 over root x dx. So that leaves me e raised to 1 over root x is nothing but integral of x raised to minus half, and that gives me e raised to x raised to half over half. So that leaves you e raised to 1 over half becomes 2 and root x. So e raised to 2 root x. Solution for that differential equation becomes y into integrating factor integral of q into if into dx plus c. So if I do that, y into e raised to 2 root x is integral of q. Q in this case we know this whole thing is q, so e raised to x minus 2 root x into if, which is e raised to 2 root x dx plus c. Now what happens here is integral of e raised to. If I have the same basis and if they're multiplied, the powers get added. So that leaves you x minus 2 root x plus 2 root x dx plus c. That leaves you this and this cancelled. I have y e raised to 2 root x. Y e raised to 2 root x is integral of e raised to x minus 2 dx plus c. Now, if I want to integrate e raised to x minus 2, let's do it separately first. So if I want to integrate that, what I can do is use the idea of substitution, put x minus 2 as t. So dx is dt. So that leaves you e raised to integral of e raised to t dt, which is nothing but e raised to t plus c. So here, e raised to t, I replace it with e raised to x minus 2 again. So e raised to x minus 2 plus c. So I put that in the differential equation, that leaves you y e raised to 2 root x equals e raised to x minus 2 plus c is also a constant. So c plus c is anything in 2c, which is also a constant. So this basically makes it solution of the differential equation. Once I have the solution of the differential equation, let's just use the condition. So what does it say? Is at x equals 0, y is also 0. So let's put it. At x is 0, y is 0. So what do I get? 0 times anything, 0 equals e raised to 0 minus 2 plus c. So e raised to minus 2 plus c. So c in this case becomes minus e raised to minus 2, which is minus 1 over e squared. That is c. So once I get the c value, I will just put it in that and find the solution of the differential equation. So it says, or I can just write this first as the solution of differential equation becomes y e raised to 2 root x equals e raised to x minus 2 plus c, which is minus 1 over e squared. I have this whole differential equation solution. Now I want to find the value of y at x equals 1. So if I do that, at x equals to 1, I want to find the value of y. So let's put it. So I get from here y e raised to 2 root of x means root of 1 equals e raised to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 minus e raised to minus 2. So what do I get is y e squared. This becomes 1 over e minus 1 over e squared. So I multiply both sides with e, that leaves you with y into e squared is e minus 1 over e squared. So from here, what do I get is dividing both sides with e squared more. So that I get rid of this, I get y is e minus 1 over e raised to 4. So that's the value of y. I have e minus 1 over e raised to 4. And that, if I see, matches with option B. So B becomes the correct answer for the question. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of using the concepts of differential equation. So first we had the functions f of x and g of x. From there I found g of f of x. Once I found that and put it in the expression, it basically made a linear differential equation of the general form dy by dx plus py equals q, from where I found the integrating factor and the solution of the differential equation. That gave me, this was the solution of differential equation. Putting in the first condition, x equals 0, y equals 0, gave us the constant of this differential equation, which becomes minus 1 over e squared. And then I put x as 1 and got the value of y. That basically matches with option B. So B becomes the correct answer for this question that was given to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of using this concept of differential equations. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, Please do like the videos as well, and do subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are solving. Thank you.